See children, now we learn constructions. So construction means today we can talk about construction which are neither used for the friend. They are called apostrophe construction. This is called constructions. So examples, read the following conversation. So Clara, it's a beautiful day. Come, we will go on a picnic. So it's a beautiful day. So excellent mark also is there and come full stop. Here we will. See, this is the apostrophe mark. We will. So we will is called as will. This is the called apostrophe constructions. Construction with is and are. So let me start. I have to pronounce this is I am is here. So here is mark of apostrophe mark. This is called apostrophe mark. This is I am. She is she's. He is his. So you are your. How is how's. How's your father? How's your mother? They are there. These are the apostrophe mark with constructions. So we are where. Where do you go? These are the examples for this. And next construction will and have. I will I. She will she. He will him. It will you will you. They will they. So you have, we have, they have, they. So these are the constructions will and have. Where to have apostrophe mark. Next comes constructions with not. See, with not. This is not. This word is not. So how to pronounce this is isn't, are not, aren't, has not, hasn't, have not, haven't, was not, wasn't, will not, won't. Next, were not, weren't, do not, don't to have, don't. These are the does not, doesn't, did not, didn't, cannot, can't, could not, couldn't. These are the constructions with not.
Children, difference between possessive and constructions. So you have learned about using the apostrophe to show singular portion of nouns. Last class, previous class we learned. Okay, now a possessive noun tells who or what owns or has something. Okay, the possessive noun tells who or what nouns or has something. Examples, see, the student's paintbrush is on the floor. The student's brush is on the floor. The paintbrush that belongs to the student. The paintbrush that belongs to whom? The student. Who? To whom belongs it is? Paintbrush belongs to the students. Next, the book's cover is colorful. So, the cover that belongs to the book. To whom it belongs? The books belongs to the cover that belongs to the book. Next, construction are words made by combining two words and leaving out one of more letters. See, the constructions are words made by combining two words. Two words combining means that leaving out one or more letters. Okay, that are an apostrophe takes the place of the removed letters. See, an apostrophe takes the place of the removed letters. Now, examples, we have met the students, contracted from the of we have. See, we have the two letters we have taken from that two letters we and ve. We have taken two words from two letters. So next one is the books haven't been covered yet, contracted from have not. So see, the books haven't been covered yet. These are the examples for constructions are words made by combining two words. See children, the apostrophe is not used for possessive pronouns such as mine, ours, theirs, his, hers, and yours. So, which are correct usage, which are incorrect usage? So, we shall read them. Mine is correct usage. Ours, that is correct usage. Ours, that is correct usage. Incorrect usage are mine's, ours, yours, that are incorrect usage. Correct usage are his, hers, its, theirs. These are correct usage. Incorrect usage are his, hers, its, theirs. These are incorrect usage. And 3.3 exercise 3.3 is match the words with the correct constructions. One is done for you. This is for homework.